In recent years, the rise of artificial intelligence (AI) has transformed many industries, and writing is no exception. From generating ideas to editing drafts, AI tools like ChatGPT, Grammarly, and Pseudowrite have become essential resources for many writers looking to enhance their craft. However, with this newfound convenience comes a pressing question. How do you use AI tools effectively without losing your unique voice as a writer? This video will explore how writers can harness the power of AI without compromising creativity, individuality, or authenticity. We will also delve into specific AI tools that can help streamline the writing process, offering practical strategies for using them to your advantage. Understanding AI tools for writers. Artificial intelligence is designed to simulate human intelligence, and in the case of writing tools, it focuses on tasks like content generation, grammar correction, and idea brainstorming. These tools use machine learning algorithms trained on vast amounts of data to perform functions that would otherwise take hours, if not days, for a human writer to complete manually. Some common AI tools writers use today include 1. ChatGPT. AI-powered writing assistants like ChatGPT can generate entire paragraphs or even stories based on user prompts. These tools can be used to brainstorm ideas, develop character arcs, or improve dialogue. Grammarly, a tool designed to help with grammar, spelling, punctuation, and style improvement, making it easier for writers to produce polished drafts. 3. Pseudowrite. Created specifically for fiction writers, Pseudowrite assists with character development, dialogue, and narrative progression. For Hemingway app, this tool helps writers make their prose clearer by analyzing readability, highlighting passive voice, and offering suggestions for simplification. 5. Gate, a comprehensive editing tool that checks for grammar mistakes, writing style issues, overused words, and pacing problems. While AI tools are undeniably valuable, the key to using them effectively lies in knowing their limitations and ensuring they complement your unique writing style than overshadowing it. The benefits of AI tools for writers. 1. Boosting productivity. One of the primary reasons writers turn to AI tools is to increase their productivity. Writing is often a time-consuming and mentally taxing process, and these tools help alleviate some of the workload by handling tasks such as grammar checks, content suggestions, and formatting. For instance, AI-powered writing assistants like ChatGPT can help writers overcome writer's block by suggesting the next sentence or paragraph, helping the story flow more smoothly. The brainstorming process, which often takes hours, can be reduced to mere minutes, allowing writers to focus on polishing the overall narrative rather than getting stuck on a single plot point. Similarly, tools like Grammarly and Gate can save hours of editing time by automatically flagging grammatical errors, reducing the need for manual proofreading. As a result, writers can produce cleaner drafts faster, leaving more time for the creative aspects of writing. To idea generation and inspiration. Another significant benefit of AI tools is their ability to assist with idea generation. Writers can use tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm new topics, develop plot lines, or even flesh out character backgrounds. These tools work by taking user prompts and expanding them into fully developed ideas, making it easier for writers to explore different angles and perspectives. For example, a writer struggling to come up with an ending for their novel might input a brief summary of their story into ChatGPT and receive multiple possible conclusions to choose from. This feature can be a lifesaver when you're stuck, allowing you to push forward with fresh inspiration. 3. Editing and improving writing quality. Editing is one of the most labor-intensive stages of the writing process, and AI tools have proven invaluable in this regard. Whether you're looking to improve sentence structure, eliminate redundancy, or tighten up your prose, AI-powered editing tools like Grammarly, Gate, and the Hemingway app can provide real-time feedback. These tools can enhance writing quality by identifying issues such as overused words, unclear phrasing, or passive voice, offering suggestions for improvement. With these tools acting as your virtual editor, you can ensure that your writing is polished and professional before sharing it with the world. How to leverage AI without losing your voice. Despite the many advantages of AI tools, there is a valid concern among writers about the risk of losing their unique voice. Writing is deeply personal, and many worrying that relying too heavily on AI will result in homogenized, mechanical-sounding prose. Here are strategies to help you maintain your creative authenticity while benefiting from AI tools. 1. Use AI as a complement, not a replacement. The most crucial thing to remember when using AI tools is that they should serve as a complement to your writing, not a replacement for your creativity. While AI can generate ideas, suggest improvements, or even write entire paragraphs, the final product should always reflect your personal style and intentions as a writer. For instance, you might use ChatGPT to brainstorm dialogue between characters in your novel, but it's essential to revise the output so it aligns with your character's voice and the tone of your story. AI-generated content can be a starting point, but the real magic happens when you infuse it with your personality and vision. 2. Retain control over your storytelling. AI tools are incredibly efficient at suggesting directions for your story, but it's vital to remember that you, as a writer, should always be in control of the narrative. AI might suggest a plot twist, but it's up to you to decide whether it fits within your story structure and themes. For example, if ChatGPT suggests an unexpected ending, you can use it as inspiration, but adapt it to suit the emotional journey of your characters. You should be selective about which AI-generated ideas you incorporate, ensuring that they enhance rather than detract from your vision. 3. Revisit and personalize AI suggestions. One way to ensure your writing retains its authenticity is by revisiting and personalizing any AI-generated content. While AI can provide valuable suggestions, these recommendations should be reviewed and revised to match your voice. If Grammarly or Hemingway suggests simplifying a sentence, make sure that the revisions still reflect your intended tone. If Proward & Gay flags a phrase as overused, consider whether it serves a purpose in your text before deciding to remove it. Your voice is what makes your writing distinctive, and AI tools should help you enhance that voice, not strip it away. By critically engaging with the suggestions these tools provide, you can maintain your individuality while still benefiting from AI's efficiency. 4. Use AI to improve skills, not depend on it entirely. AI tools can help you improve as a writer, but they shouldn't become a crutch. Instead of relying on AI to catch every mistake or generate all your ideas, use it as a learning tool. Pay attention to the patterns it identifies in your writing and apply those insights independently. For example, if Proward & Gay often flags passive voice in your work, take note of where you tend to overuse it and consciously practice avoiding it in future drafts. By using AI tools as an educational resource, you'll gradually become more proficient at recognizing and fixing these issues without external assistance. Choosing the right AI tools for your writing process. With so many AI tools available, it can be overwhelming to decide which ones are worth integrating into your writing process. Here are some guidelines for selecting the right tools based on your specific needs. For idea generation, ChatGPT or Pseudowrite are ideal for generating fresh ideas, plot points, or character developments. These tools can help you overcome writer's block and provide creative solutions to narrative challenges. For editing and proofreading, Grammarly and Proward & Gay are excellent for catching grammatical mistakes, improving clarity, and enhancing overall readability. The Hemingway app is a great choice if you're looking to simplify your prose and eliminate convoluted sentences. For style and tone improvement, if you want to ensure your writing stays true to your intended style and tone, consider using tools that offer in-depth feedback on writing style, such as Proward & Gay or Grammarly's Tone Detector. Ultimately, the right AI tool will depend on your specific writing goals and preferences Experiment with different platforms to see which ones enhance your writing process without detracting from your voice. The future of AI and writing. As AI technology continues to evolve, it's likely that writers will increasingly rely on these tools to streamline their workflows. However, the key to successfully integrating AI into the writing process is balance. Writers must strike a harmony between leveraging AI for efficiency and maintaining control over their creative output. In the future, we may see even more advanced AI tools that can mimic individual writing styles or assist with deeper aspects of storytelling, such as thematic development or world building. However, even as AI becomes more sophisticated, the writer's voice will always remain the most critical element of any written work. AI is a tool, not a replacement for the human heart behind the words. Conclusion: AI tools have become invaluable for writers seeking to boost productivity, generate fresh ideas, and improve the quality of their writing. However, the key to using these tools effectively lies in ensuring they complement your voice rather than overshadow it. By retaining control over your storytelling, personalizing AI-generated suggestions, and using these tools to enhance your skills, you can reap the benefits of AI without sacrificing your creativity. Ultimately, the future of writing is likely to include AI as a significant component, but writers will always have the final say in shaping the stories they tell. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And see you all in the next video.